Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll explore the legitimacy of the website accessmanager.apple.com. It's important to stay safe online and know which sites to trust, so let's break down the key steps to help you determine whether this site is legitimate. Step 1. Check the URL. Begin by examining the URL in the address bar. Legitimate Apple websites should end with apple.com. Ensure there are no typos or extra characters in the URL, as phishing websites often mimic real ones by altering the address slightly. Step 2. Look for HTTPS. Notice if the site uses HTTPS rather than just HTTP. A secure connection is indicated by a padlock icon next to the URL in your browser. This means the data transmitted between your browser and the site is encrypted, offering an extra layer of security. Step 3. Verify the site's content. Upon visiting accessmanager.apple.com, take a careful look at the content. Is it professionally written and free of grammatical errors? Does it match the quality and tone typically associated with official Apple communications? These factors can indicate the site's legitimacy. Step 4. Research online. Conduct a quick search to see if there are any reports or discussions about accessmanager.apple.com on forums or consumer protection websites. Look for user reviews or warnings that may shed light on the site's reputation. Step 5. Check Apple's official support page. Visit Apple's official support page or the main Apple website. Often they provide links to their trusted services. If you cannot find a reference to accessmanager.apple.com there, it may be a red flag. Step 6. Look for contact information. A legitimate website should provide clear contact information. Check for an official email address or phone number that you can use to reach Apple if you have concerns. If the site lacks these details, tread carefully. Step 7. Avoid clicking unsolicited links. If you received a link to this site in an email or message, be cautious. Phishing scammers may use deceptive links. Always navigate directly to the site by typing the URL in your browser. Step 8. Use security software. Make sure you have updated antivirus or anti-malware software on your device. This can help identify if the site is unsafe or potentially harmful, providing an added layer of security. As we've discussed, checking a website's legitimacy involves examining its URL, ensuring a secure connection, verifying the content quality, conducting online research, and looking for proper contact information. By following these steps, you can protect yourself from potential scams. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up for more informative content.